What up, world? This is Laz from ESTBC Prints, and
right here, Captain Steve, aka Stelo 415, YouTube Deadliest Cast Fishing. We're gonna do a little collabs and make some shirts with me, but we're making some halibut shirts. I'm gonna make some nice, fresh beer battered halibut. There's only we can do it. Really simple, and we're gonna walk you through the whole process of how this is done. We're gonna get it all prepped up, eat it, and make some shirts.
absolutely, this is called Fish and Print. Yes, I'm starving.
Yeah.
I'm starving. You see my size, man.
Really simple recipe. You don't need to get all fancy. You don't need to be Gordon Ramsay or anything. The best cooks are fishermen. Okay.
Is that right?
So I'm just gonna add a little flour. So it's super simple. Flour. And we use a little dark beer. We can have a darker ale. Add some beer in there. And we're just gonna try to get this in a consistency like some pancake batter. Not too thick, but not too runny. A little more beer. All right, so this is a good consistency. You see that? Just kind of like pancake batter, right? So with that, just it's ready to go. Get the fish. That's ready. I just seasoned that with some black pepper, some garlic salt. This is a landlocked halibut, secret spot
In the bay area.
in the bay.
In the bay.
This location will not be disclosed. So
I know where it's at, but you won't.
we're just gonna cover this stuff up. Let's see. Yeah, it's just nice and thick on there. Yeah. Let that sit for a minute while we get this thing all fired up. Got the fire on. Portable stove. Just let this oil heat up real quick. Really simple. Let stuff heat up for a second and we'll start frying it. Getting ready for when it comes out. We start mixing that coleslaw up. You wanna mix it up?
Absolutely.
Chef Laz over here. Coleslaw king. Secret recipe right there. San Francisco's finest.
San Francisco's finest.
Safeway Select.
Select finest, like selectiveness. That's why it's the finest.
So, when it comes to fish, guys, you don't have to get fancy. Let the fish do all the work. Good flavors, everything. When it's fresh fish like that, you just can't go wrong. A lot better than that you buy in the store. It's caught, not bought. I like to tell people all the time when they're like,
I don't like that.
you know, what kind of fish is this? Is it line caught? Is it troll caught? Net caught? I always tell them this is dude caught. You know what that means? It means this dude caught it. Okay. Let's see what the chef's doing over here.
Got that coleslaw. Like that. Right there. Use this right here and just. Ladies and gentlemen, I got the sauce in there. Just gotta shake it right here so you can get a nice even distribution of the sauce onto the slaw. And it doesn't take much. And there goes your SF slaw.
Nice. You know, almost the oil's nice and ready to go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Really good and crispy. As you see, this is almost ready, nice and golden. Add the last couple pieces there, but nice and crispy. Look at that. Perfect. All right, we're just gonna start getting these pieces out, putting them in here. When you hear them fall like that, they're nice and solid, nice and crispy. Some chicken nuggets, you know. Let that one crisp up a little more. Now that the fish is done, gonna get our bread. It's not cut open yet. It's bread open. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Real simple. A little bit of tartar sauce. Be really generous with it. Okay. A little bit of that. Got something to scoop this thing out with. Can I get a fork? Or I got one right here. Okay. Gonna layer the slaw down here. Okay. A couple pieces of this fish. Plenty right there. Okay. Then not everybody likes these, but if you're into them, pickle. Super simple. Close that bad boy up and alright. Dig in.
Alright, cheers.
Very good, huh?
With tremendo estilo.
What was that? I think I need to put more fish in mine.
There's some good stuff.
Oh yeah. Hola, Mahamon.
What up, guys? This is Laz of ESTBC PRINTS. I'm here with special guest.
What's up, guys? Captain Steve, Deadliest Cast Fishing. You guys may know me as Stelo, Stelo 1.5. Been doing this fishing thing for quite a while. I like double Laz. We got some nice stuff coming out, so just get ready.
Like the one he has on.
That's one of them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just want to get that. It's on there. So.
But
Gotta fly when you fish, man.
guys, I'm full as hell. Captain Steve just hooked us up with a wonderful halibut sandwich with the coleslaw on it. Battered. It was beer battered. I'm full.
It was a real simple meal, but it was good, you know. I don't know how you're standing, but yeah, we'll work it off right now.
All right, so here we go. We're gonna print these. These are a customized halibut T-shirt. There's a restaurant that this logo was kind of inspired by.
If you guys want to know how that came to happen, I was sitting there eating a burger at this restaurant, and I kept looking at the logo while I was sitting there eating on a cup, and I said, it kept triggering me to just think halibut. I said, no, I don't see anything with burgers. I see halibut. So I just
Show them that again.
I got a Sharpie, and like I did yesterday with that one we did.
Yeah.
I just changed it to halibut, and
That was it.
I knew I had to make it. And then I was onto something, and it's catchy, and you know, it's just if you like to catch halibut like I do, go ahead and check it out. We'll let the man do his thing here.
Right.
True fashion, what a guy for halibut. So. Got another keeper. Keeper in the box. That's it. How it's done. Take a picture.